Your skin is not ugly. It's not bad skin. It's not cursed. And no, you don't need 20 expensive products either. Your skin is just tired of your habits. And if you've tried everything, face wash, serum, sunscreen, but your skin still looks dull, textured, or keeps breaking out again and again, stay with me. Because today, we're fixing the real problem. Not your skin, your daily habits. Part 1, stop blaming your skin. First of all, stop calling your skin bad. Your skin is literally doing its job, protecting you, healing you, showing you warning signs. Glow comes from care, not hate. If you keep saying I have bad skin, your brain already gives up. Instead say, my skin needs better habits, small change, big mindset shift. Part 2, you're doing too much to your skin. We think more products equals better skin. Reality, your skin gets overwhelmed. Acids today, vitamin C tomorrow, retinol next. Scrub right after? Your skin is like, please, I'm tired, fix it. Stick to 3 to 4 basic products. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, 1 treatment only. Simple routine equals healthy skin. Part 3, you touch your face too much. Be honest. You scroll on your phone, then touch your face. You rest your chin on your hand, you pop that pimple just a little. Your hands touch phones, doors, money, everything. And then your face. That's how bacteria gets VIP access. Fix it. Stop touching your face unnecessarily. If you must touch like skincare, clean hands only, never pop pimples, ever. I know it's tempting. Part 4, your diet shows up on your face. Your skin knows what you eat. Yes, it knows. Too much sugar, breakouts. Too little water gives dull, tight skin. Only junk food, inflammation. You don't need a diet. You need balance. Fix it. Drink more water, not just when thirsty. Eat fruits, vegetables, protein, reduce sugary drinks and ultra-processed snacks. Eat like you love your future skin. Part 5. Sleeping late is ruining your skin. No worries. I sleep late every day. But your skin worries. Your skin repairs itself at night. While you're scrolling, your skin is struggling. Fix it. Try sleeping before 12 a.m. Even 30 minutes earlier helps. Consistency matters more than perfection. Part 6. Sleeping with makeup on. Ah, yes. Your skin wants to sleep. But you let your foundation sleep instead. The fix? Even if you're tired, heartbroken, lazy, or just binge-watching K-drama till 3 a.m. Remove your makeup. Use a double cleanse. Gives cleansing balm oil. Face wash. So remember, your skin isn't bad. Your habits are, and habits can be changed. Start today, not someday, not after buying new products, today. Because glow comes from consistency, not a shopping cart. Now go fix your habits and watch your skin fall in love with you again. See you in the next one. Bye!